Alright, 2459 Tristar Mini Helmet. 2459 Tristar Mini Helmet. Alright, guys. Here we go. Eno 1, Biz 1, Jamo 2, Who 1, Steelerman 8, Susan 2, Corey 4, Ben Scope 2, Brian 2, Tommy 6, Randy led with Tree. Going pretty well, man. Going pretty well. Pulling some good stuff. Alright, Chad, you got it. 5 divisions left in the premium. Alright, guys. 5 times here. We'll randomize column C. We'll paste in column B. That's the team you guys will have for the break. I want to see a chrome come out of this TriStar. See if they're fake news or not. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Ben, you're on top, my man. And Randy Led, you're on the bottom. 5 times for the 5 times. Alright, Ben, Cardinals, Corey, Falcons, Ravens, Steelers, Bills, Arno, Panthers, Steelers, Bears, Steelers, Bengals, Corey, Browns, Steelers, Cowboys, Randy, Broncos, Who, Lions, Biz, Packers, Tommy, Texans, Colts, Jamo, Jags, Ben, Chiefs, Steelers, Rams, Dolphins, Susan, Vikings, Patriots, Brian, Saints, Randy, Giants, Brian, Jets, Tommy, Raiders, Jamo, Eagles, Corey, Steelers, Steelerman, Chargers, Niners, Tommy, Seahawks, Bucks, Titans, Randy led with the Washington Redskins. Randy, you and I, or you and Haley? Well, I gotta give you the money for the mini helmet from Fake News. Alright, guys, any trades? Any trades? Any trades? I got 7 divisions left, Chad, and optic tenders. Tenders. Oh, you and I got you. I got you. Alright, Cav, you got division. There's only 4 divisions left. Alright, guys, here we go. See what we got. Looks promising. There it is. Jimmy Johnson came with a free sample in here. Jimmy Johnson, Hall of Fame 94. Nice autograph. Jimmy Johnson for the Niners. Jimmy Johnson, recognized as one of the best men-for-men defenders in history. 2-way star, brother of 1960 Olympic decathlon, Rafard Johnson. 4-time All-Pro, 5-time Pro Bowler, All-Decade, 97 retired, and Pro Football Fame 1994. Yeah, Chad, 24 for optic. Jimmy Johnson, TriStar for the 49ers. All right, Chad, you got it, man. For San Francisco, Steeler, Maine. There you go, man. You got yourself the Jimmy Johnson autographed mini helmet, man. Congrats. 5 times, mix it on up. 5 times. Whoever's on top, free spot, autographed mini helmet giveaway. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Tommy. Free spot in the bonus break, man. If you guys buy 10 or more in any break, guarantee yourself a spot. 2, 4, 5, 9. TriStar Mini. Alright, guys, very cool. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, P Sports Cards 24. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.